Priyas, good tomorrow with the celebration of this institute, the 75th annual Independence Day. So that was one of the occasion for you people to be here, and also visiting campus. Look at the campus, look at the things. So that the Syrian campus, Lost Green campus, and what great things has been going on at NIST. That is a proud for all the people and all the community, and that's the reason I invited all of you to have a look at it. And we at NIST were committed to build a world-class research institute and university. And our students doing fabulous in terms of job. 82% of people this year alone has got the job. 87% people last year have got the job. And if you do one person getting 2-3 jobs, 107% people got the job, if you take that into account. Actually, we celebrate here not only independence. This is the 25th anniversary of this institute. We're planning to celebrate in a big way, and our fundamental core principle is student first. How students get the best education, best research, best entrepreneurship. Second part, we are actually research involved. It's not academic institute. We are doing a lot of work on the research, building companies, building innovation, entrepreneurship, publication, patent, all those kind of. Third thing, we are also working for community. We want to make sure we improve, our community around the improve. Our student and faculty are involved with a lot of community affairs, going to teach the student, taking the cleaning of the sea beach, all those kind of things. And we are one family. NIST as one family. We want to build whole community as one family for growth of everybody. It is best because of a couple of reasons, right? So it was the first NRI venture in this state, and in the first engineering college established in southern Odisha in 1996. And the objective, all the things from US, many of the technology, many of the papers, many of the computer equipment has come from US actually. So it has been, and we always try to build the distinctive institute compared to many other institutes. The course curriculum, the rigor of course, the research, the innovation, grant, that's what differentiates with us. And the people, we have about 15,000 alumni. Out of 15,000 alumni, maybe 4,000 people in the US and different countries. So that shows, and a lot of people in a very good position and offering to the leadership, including the administrative services, Navy, Air Force, company executive, and that shows itself what we believe, how we build our student, how we build our institute in a unique way. Our student, one of the best, and what we do, not only they excel in academic, they win lot of the hackathons, international, national competition in the technology and innovation, and our faculty, one of the best in the country. They have many publications, like last year probably we have about 78 publications, research publications. They have about 7 patents. 17 of our students went to higher studies in Taiwan, Korea, US, Europe, Germany, different countries. That proves itself the quality of education, quality of research of our faculty and staff. Yes, actually we plan to build, we are at right now Autonomous Institute. We plan to build a university. So our proposal for the university pending in the government, we got a technical approval, become NIST University. So we will be full-blown university very soon with the approval. Technical team visited in December 2019, and they have given approval. So we'll follow it up to become a university, then a research, and it is a research university, and we want to get into world ranking as one of the best in the country.